Okay, back in the garage working on Sally on this Tuesday night. I have everything back under the hood where it goes, except for the battery and the hood latch. I painted the hood latch and it's not dry enough to put on. Got my hood prop rod shortened. I took and put some electrical heat shrink stuff on it so when it lays down, one of them goes across there, one of them goes across here, and the other one snaps into here, and that way it doesn't rub the paint off. I got the new hood stoppers on. Most of the time those are painted red, but I'm leaving them black and with the gold anodized bolt. I'm going to paint this power steering cooler, transmission cooler, whatever kind of cooler it is, I really don't know. Haven't paid that much attention to it. I think it's power steering cooler. I'm gonna paint it, and I've got me some new lights, turn signal lights ordered because those were real yellow. And the delivery guy showed up today and he brought me my seat covers. I'll be getting those on. I'll be putting them in after I get the car all put back together. Because once I get it all back together, it can be drove. Those can be a 1 or 2 night sometime or another.